Welcome to Illumina Connected Multiomics. First, create a study by clicking New Study. Give the study a name. And a description. And then select the ICA project that contains the data. Click Create Study. Now that we've created our study, we're going to add data to our study by clicking Add Data. Now we're going to choose the type of data that we'd like to add. Today we're going to add single-cell RNA sequencing data. Here we see that I have the 3 files for my sample. I'm going to select all 3 files and click Submit. Here we see that these have been successfully ingested into the study. Here we see the sample, 1 sample single-cell RNA sequencing data. Because this is single-cell data, an analysis has automatically been queued for us. This occurs for single-cell RNA sequencing data as well as our spatial transcriptomics data. If you're using protein data, this will not automatically queue the analysis. We can also create our own new analysis by clicking New Analysis. Here we can give the analysis a name, choose the analysis type that we're interested in doing. You see a variety of options here, including default and custom analysis options. Here I'm going to choose default single-cell transcriptomic. We need to select the sample. There's only 1 sample here for us to select. If there were multiple samples here, we would select all single-cell samples. Click Run Analysis. We see this analysis was successfully created, and we see both of our analyses here in the Analyses tab. To view all of the studies, analyses, and sample groups, we can use this menu on the left by clicking Studies, which will show us all of the studies in Illumina Connected Multiomics. We can view this in 2 ways, either this way as a list, or we can use the card view where you can see all of the individual studies listed as cards. If we click Analyses, we can see this the same way. We can see all of the analyses that are being performed in Illumina Connected Multiomics as a card view or as a list view. We can also see all of the sample groups, and we see them listed here, including the number of samples and the modification date as well as other information. We can take action on these sample groups here by editing or deleting, and we can go ahead and open analyses. So let's go back to our analyses here and open an analysis that is already completed. Let's go ahead and open one of these analyses. Because this is a default analysis that I opened, the results are automatically opened in the data viewer. For more information related to particular analyses in Illumina Connected Multiomics, please see our related videos.